Sending money across borders just got easier with the Remitly app, and in the next 90 seconds, you'll be a pro at using it. First things first, download the Remitly app from your app store and open it up if you don't have an account. Tap Sign Up, and follow the simple prompts to create yours. It's quick and secure. To send money, tap Send Money Now. Select the country you're sending to, then enter the amount you wish to transfer. Remitly will clearly display the exchange rate and any applicable fees right on the screen, so there are no surprises. Next, you'll need to tell Remitly who you're sending to. You can add a new recipient by entering their name, address, and phone number, or select someone from your saved contacts. If it's a bank deposit, you'll need their bank details. Remitly offers flexible ways for your recipient to get their money. Choose between bank deposit, cash pickup at a local agent, or even mobile money. Depending on their location and preference, select the delivery method that works best. Now for payment, tap Pay With, and select your preferred method. You can add a debit card, credit card, or link your bank account for security. You'll be asked to enter your payment details once selected. Tap Send Money. And that's it. Your money is on its way. After sending, you'll get a confirmation and a tracking number to check the status of your transfer at any time. Simply tap the Transactions tab on the app's main screen. Here, you can view all your past and pending transfers. Tap Any Transfer for more detailed status updates, like processing, delivered, or ready for pickup. Manage your account by tapping My Account in the bottom navigation bar. Here you can update your profile, change your password, set up security preferences, and manage your notification settings. It's all about keeping your information safe and your transfers on track. The Remitly app is designed for simplicity and security, empowering you to connect with your loved ones by sending money reliably and affordably, right from your phone.